Today I thought it's the perfect day to get stuck in and get rid of all the dust and have a little clean up. But before we get started, we've got a sponsor today, the first sponsor of 2022, and it's HelloFresh. Thank you so much HelloFresh for sponsoring this little section of today's video. In case you don't know who HelloFresh are, they are a food delivery website with a plethora of recipes that are delicious and nutritious and really easy to cook. Just follow the simple instructions that come with every meal and you'll be amazed just how easy it is to have a delicious meal each night. If you're like me and you struggle with what to meal plan and cook, HelloFresh will be perfect for you. They've got a huge selection online to choose from and all portions are measured. They also do vegetarian meals too. The packaging is paper, so it's easy to recycle. I do have a discount code to share with you all, and it's Toni Interior. That will get you 50% off your first box and then 35% off the next 3 boxes. So use the code Toni Interior. I'll leave all the details in the description box down below so you can check them out, and I will also leave the recipes that I've used. They were all beautiful. I had crushed avocado bagels, quick butter chicken. I'll leave everything below for you, but thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring that little section of today's video. Now let's get stuck into some cleaning.
You're the reason why I thought I caught your eyes.
It's that time of year again where the dust settles everywhere and everywhere just looks incredibly dusty, so I'm going to pull out the Pledge polish. I know it's an oldie, but it's a goldie. It works every time for minimising the amount of dust that settles after I've used the Pledge polish. I underestimated how much dust was in our bedroom. It was literally everywhere. It was all over the skirting boards. It was in the grooves in the door. I could write my name in the telly stand, but that's always been an issue anyway. I think it's because it's black. It attracts the dust even more. But down here, you'd swear there was little dust bunnies. I was picking clumps of dust up, but it's gone anyway. Using the Pledge polish works wonders for me. I know it's quite an old-fashioned one, but it really does help to minimise dust. If you're like me and you live in an old home, Pledge polish is the one for getting rid of all the dust. I don't know whether you watched my previous vlog last week, but I shared the bed being moved out of this room and my desk coming back because I missed it so much. I'm a lot more productive when I can sit at my desk and work. So I decided also to get the clothes rail out of the loft. Now I've got a video coming next week with regards to this clothing rail. I don't use it just to hang clothes on. I actually use it to dry clothes, but because it looks nice, I use it as a clothes maiden or a clothes horse. So the clothes that can't go in the tumble dryer and I don't want to fold them over a clothes maiden, I hang them on this clothing stand, and it looks nicer than a maiden would look in the room. So any clothes that don't go in the tumble dryer get hung on the clothes rail. But stay tuned next week for that video because it's going to be really, really good. If you suffer with mould or damp in your house, you're going to want to catch that video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that upload, because it really will bring you some great tips if you do struggle with damp and mould in your home. I could potentially crack the one thing that is causing it.
The love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
There is no better feeling than on a Sunday giving the fridge a nice deep clean. I love doing this, and it hadn't been done, I'm not going to lie, it hadn't been done for a couple of weeks because obviously we were poorly, so it really did need a deep clean. I used some method cleaner, which was the antibacterial spray, so that the fridge was nice and clean and I killed any bacteria that might have been living in there. And I just love how the fridge looked when it was done. Stay tuned to the end to just see how organised and nice it looked when it was clean. You just can't beat that feeling. It's the small things, isn't it? And it's definitely one of my favourite things to clean in the house.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes. The love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
And that is my house nice and clean. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch one of my cleaning videos. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the details down below so you can get that discount by using the code Toni Interior. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise, I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.